Did you know that there's a Shopify feature right now that lets your products show up and sell directly inside of ChatGPT? And that's not even the biggest update most merchants are sleeping on. Shopify's Renaissance Edition brought over 150 changes to the platform and some are-complete game changers for how you build and run your store. In this video, we're covering the top 5 new Shopify features you need to know and exactly how to use them. If you're new here, welcome to Learn with Shopify. This is the official Shopify YouTube channel. We're here to bring you the latest e-commerce news and step-by-step tutorials. Make sure to subscribe so you're always the first to know. Sidekick has gone from being a helpful chatbot to what Shopify calls a hands-on operator inside your admin. Here's the key difference. Before, Sidekick could answer questions. Now, it actually executes tasks. Think about that. You can say, "Build me an app that recommends which products I need to reorder." And Sidekick will actually create that custom app for your store. To do so, open the Sidekick chat, click on the plus sign and select Generate App. Then describe the app you want, and Sidekick gets to work immediately. Once it's ready, you can view the app or click Install. It can also generate custom analytics reports, build customer segments, and give you intelligent and accurate advice on how to increase your sales. For example, say your revenue dips this week and you're not sure why. Instead of digging through 5 different reports, Sidekick analyzes everything on request: your sales data, inventory status, traffic sources, even your recent marketing performance. Once it's finished, it gives you a diagnosis. It might tell you your top product went out of stock 3 days ago, or your abandoned cart email sequence stopped sending last week. Then it suggests the next steps to get things back on track. You can get much more granular than that. In the Sidekick chat, press plus, then select Target. Hover over a section inside your admin you have questions about. For example, you can select the number of sessions under Home and prompt, "Where are my website views coming from?" Sidekick gives you a clear breakdown, which countries or regions your visitors are coming from, and exactly how they found you: social media, direct traffic, Google search, or other sources. And here's one that's really practical. You can now click on any element in your theme editor, a button, a header, an image, and then in the Sidekick pop-up window, click on Ask for Changes, like for example, make this button circular. It makes the changes instantly. If you're typing the same prompts into Sidekick over and over, there's a faster way. It's called Sidekick Skills, basically shortcuts for your favorite prompts. To set one up, click the chat box, tap the plus icon, and select Skills. Create a short name like /what and link it to a prompt like "What does this mean?" Now here's how you use it. Go to Marketing, click on the plus sign again, then on Target. Select whatever you want to have clear definitions for on-screen. Like in this example, we selected Sales attributed to marketing. Type in your recently saved skill. What in the chat? Hit Enter. Sidekick will instantly explain exactly what you just clicked on. No more guessing what metrics mean or digging through help articles. Want to add some skills to your store but need a little inspiration? We got you. Head over to the Winter 26 Edition's website and scroll down until you find the Skills section. Hover over any of these dynamic words. These are so cool. But did you know that they're actually more than pretty animations on screen? These are actually preset templates for useful skills that anyone can use. When you click on one, and Shopify Admin opens automatically with the skill name and description ready to save. Here you can edit or customize anything on screen to tailor it to your store. Once you press Save, type your new skill name in the Sidekick chat and see it in action. Give them all a try and drop a comment below telling us which one you find the most useful and why. There's so much more Sidekick can do. If you're loving what Sidekick offers and want a dedicated deep dive video just on that, let us know in the comments. We actually read them. But for the sake of time, let's jump to update number 2. This might sound technical, but if you've ever hit Shopify's product limits, you know exactly why this matters. For years, products were capped at 100 variants. That was expanded to 250, but now you can have up to 2,048 variants per product. Let me put that in perspective. If you sell apparel in 10 sizes and 11 colors, you were already at your limit with the old system. Merchants had to split products across multiple pages, which hurt SEO, confused customers, and doubled the inventory management work. Now you can manage all those combinations, multiple sizes, colors, materials, regional options in a single product listing. This eliminates the need for workaround apps and opens up new possibilities for anyone selling configurable products, personalized items, or complex B2B catalogs. This is one of the more interesting strategic features in the release. The Shopify Product Network lets you display products from other Shopify brands on your store and earn commission when those products sell. Here's the scenario. A customer searches for something you don't carry. Instead of losing that sale, they see personalized recommendations from other trusted brands across Shopify's network. The customer can add items to their cart, check out on your site, and you earn a commission. You're not responsible for stocking, shipping, or customer service on those items, and you can control which products appear, excluding competitors or categories that don't fit your brand. To get started, install the Shopify Product Network app from the Shopify App Store. Once it's installed, go to Apps, then Product Network, then click on Placements. From here, you choose exactly where seller products show up on your store. You've got pre-purchase options like your search results and collection pages. So when customers are browsing, they see relevant products from other brands mixed in. And you've got post-purchase options like your thank you page and order status page. Perfect timing since customers just bought something and might be open to related items. You can even add these products to your Shopify messaging email campaigns. Each placement has a preview button so you can see exactly how it looks before turning it on. Now, the important part. Exclusions. In the settings, you can block specific brands or entire categories from appearing. So if you don't want a direct competitor showing up on your store, you have that control. The commission can be received as cash or as credits toward shop campaigns, Shopify's advertising tool. But as of right now, there are some requirements. Your store needs to be located in the United States and selling in USD. You need Shopify payments and Shop Pay activated, plus the shop channel installed. You also need to be using the new version of customer accounts and have network intelligence enabled. And your products can't be in restricted categories like alcohol, tobacco, or mature content. One more thing to know, the seller products only display to customers located in the United States, so this is very much a US-focused feature right now. If you've ever wanted to test different versions of your store without paying for expensive third-party apps, this is the feature you've been waiting for. Here's the thing about running an online store. You're constantly making decisions, right? Should the Add to Cart button be green or blue? Does a lifestyle hero image convert better than a product shot? Should your banner be an image or a video? Most merchants just guess. You make a change, hope it works. And if sales dip, you're left wondering if it was the change or just a slow week. Shopify Rollouts takes the guesswork out of it. It lets you schedule theme changes and run A/B tests directly inside your admin, so you can make decisions based on what your customers actually do, not what you think they'll do. Here's how it works. You create a rollout, basically a staged version of your store with specific changes, maybe a new homepage layout or a different product page design. Then you can control what percentage of visitors see each version. Start with 10% of traffic seeing the changes. Monitor your conversion rates and revenue. If the numbers look good, bump it up to 25%, then 50%, then roll it out to everyone. If something's not working, you can stop the test without damaging your overall store performance. This is built right into Shopify. No third-party apps, no complex setup. For merchants like yourself who want to optimize their stores based on data rather than guesswork, this is a practical tool that's now just included. One thing to note, the feature is not rolled out to everyone just yet, but you can go on the website shopify.com/editions/winter 2026 and sign up to get notified when it drops. This one's a fundamental shift in how people might discover your products. Your products can now be found and purchased directly inside AI platforms like ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, Perplexity, and now Google AI Mode and Gemini. And more platforms are coming. What does this actually mean? Someone chatting with ChatGPT could ask about products, see your items with real-time pricing and inventory, and complete the purchase through instant checkout without ever visiting your website. Here's the good news. If you're already on Shopify, this is mostly set up for you. Agentic storefronts are active by default. Shopify automatically structures your product data through something called Shopify Catalog, which formats your titles, descriptions, images, pricing, and availability in a way AI platforms can understand. Agentic storefronts are in early access, and at the time of creation of this video, aren't yet available for all stores. To be eligible, you need to be US-based, have products eligible for Shopify Catalog, agree to supplemental terms, have store policies set up, and not require customer login before checkout. When available, Agentic storefronts are active by default. You can control which AI channels to sell on through Settings Apps, Agentic storefronts in your admin. The bigger picture here is what we at Shopify call Agentic Commerce, where AI agents can search across millions of Shopify products, guide shoppers through discovery, and take them all the way to checkout. This is essentially a new sales channel. And unlike building a social media presence or running ads, this happens with relatively low effort on your part once it's set up. This is a small visual change that could have a real impact on your conversions. The Shop Pay button will now display the last 4 digits of a customer's saved card directly on the button itself. Why does this matter? It reduces what marketers call
checkout anxiety.
When customers see their own card referenced, it creates instant recognition. They know their payment method is ready, which removes a mental barrier to completing the purchase. Shop Pay is already one of the highest converting checkouts on the internet. This personalization is designed to push those conversion rates even higher. So those are the top 5 new features from Shopify's Winter 26 edition. If you want to explore all 150 plus features, we'll link Shopify's official editions page in the description. And since you watched all the way to the end, thank you, and we've got a little gift for you. Remember the skills section we mentioned in Chapter 2? There's one called Editions. Click on it, and Sidekick will walk you through the latest editions updates most relevant to your store. Based on your store analytics, it gives you a to-do list of the top 5 to 7 updates you should actually pay attention to. It looks at your recent activity, identifies your pain points, and skips anything irrelevant to your store type. You don't need to know about every update, just the ones that move the needle for you. We hope this helps, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn with Shopify. We break down everything you need to know about building and growing your store on Shopify. The YouTube algorithm picked out this video specifically for you. Tap the thumbnail on screen to keep on learning.